Tell the other people to come.
Here, yo.
Why'd you ask me?
All right.
What is it?
Midnight.
Don't encourage this.
How many more minutes?
Hello. Welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is New Year's, and it is December 31st, 2023. I'm gonna take you along with me, and my hair looks crazy, but memes, it's gonna be good. Super excited. Stay tuned. The plan for right now is to get ready. It's currently 5 o'clock. I just finished putting my hair up, and we're gonna be going to my aunt's house, which starts at 7, so we might leave here at 6:30. But in the meantime, I'm gonna watch One Piece and do my makeup. I think we're solid. Sick! Now I gotta figure out what to wear. I don't think I'm gonna record that. Yay! I know there's a little filter, but you know, just trust it all looks good in person too. Okay, cool. I'll vlog the rest of tonight. The thing. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Mom. Yeah.
Oh, one more.
Yeah. Happy New Year. We're heading to my aunt's house now. Right, Mom? Yep. Yep. Woo. Wow. Why do you do that?
Give me a gun. Yo, what up, vlog?
Hi, vlog. Okay, what'd you make?
So it's like shortbread with caramel and chocolate on top.
And then you, oh.
I haven't tried it. I hope it's good.
What that is?
I don't know what it is.
Well, if I can take
It's
it
like
out,
shortbread
I can
with
show you.
caramel and chocolate.
Oh,
That's like diabetes.
yeah, kind of.
What is this?
Try it right now. She's never made it before.
Good.
Can't tell if you're kidding or not.
I love it.
What's that, Sonny?
Alright, you hate it.
It's good. I don't know why Chris made that face. You know what? It tastes like a Twix. It's good though. I rate it out of 10. 9.
No. This is a good sound.
Right? Are you stressed out?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, I know. I felt. Are y'all fighting? World's the world's go 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 go. Get your food. twice. I don't think they've seen you on the cam. Hey.
Yeah, I'm doing flight simulator.
Camille, where's? Oh, there you are.
It's crazy Asians.
Crazy Richie. Woo.
I never said rich. I just said crazy Asians.
Oh, crazy, only crazy.
Can you please block the walkway, please? Thank you.
He's so rude.
Hey, you ready to watch me sneeze?
Yeah.
Oh, you're no mirror there. Mine at Air Force Base, brother. These colors don't run. 13 stars. How many stripes? 10?
Wait, what are you talking
Why
about?
13 stars? There's 13 stripes, 50 stars.
Wow, this guy's a dummy, bro. She's staring at me. Sign off.
Hey, just remember one thing. They hate us because they ain't us.
You're coming tomorrow, right?
I don't know.
Hi, vlog. Today's New Year's Eve. It is 10:13.
It's almost midnight.
It's over midnight.
20 more minutes.
An hour.
That's exactly right.
What is it?
Midnight.
Don't encourage.
How many more minutes?
20.
20. You know what they say? Cause when you're 15 and somebody tells them you love you, you're gonna believe them.
Oh, me.
Tell the other people.
Yo!
Why'd you ask me?
Hey guys, it's
What time is it?
11:37 right now and we're shooting fireworks. It blew my eardrums out.
I know I missed it.
Can we help you with the poppers?
Bro. 2, 3.
Oh! Oh, hey! I just woke up from my nap. Back up.
Hold my hand.
You have a lighter, so.
Watch out, back up. Oh, you had a baby one. Crazy.
Dance! Dance! Dance!
Oh, look at that guy! Hey, what's going on? This horse. Sorry, one more time.
Oh, dude! Hey!
It's fireworks.
That's fireworks.
You know what the fireworks is?
That's kind of lame.
Subscribe.
This video if you haven't already. Why do you keep checking yourself out every time there's a camera?
Subscribe. Yo,
Hey,
John
hey,
Pernell,
hey,
UIC,
hey.
first year, comp sci.
Oh yeah.
What did you do, Josh?
I did.
No, do it again then. Oh, ooh. Close.
Will it make me TikTok famous? No. YouTube famous? No, not at all.
I'm not there yet. Just wait, everybody. Just wait on it. Just wait on it.
Just wait, and we're gonna get there.
We're gonna get there 2024.
Yeah.
Shake, 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 shake. Yeah!
Oh my gosh, a full moon.
Have anything you want to say to 2024?
Not particularly.
Do you have anything you want to say to 2024?
2024, do better.
It just started. How can
Do better than 2023.
It's been like 5
minutes.
Yeah.
Oh wow,
Oh,
military
military
time.
time.
Oh. Wow. Slow down.
2024.
Come here.
Get your bank. Get your bank.
Get your mom. You having fun?
Yes, of course.
Do you have anything you want to say to 2024?
It'll be a better year.
Yay.
Be optimistic.
Anything you want to say to 2024?
Get your money up, not your funny up.
Whoa! Is there anything you want to say in 2024 or to 2024?
Bring it on.
Whoa! Is there anything y'all want to say to 2024?
Oh, this is my year.
Wait, what did you say earlier?
What?
Your Jordan, about your Jordan year.
Nah, this is my year. Follow me on Instagram, and you'll see it all happen.
Wait, what about Jillian? What do you have to say?
2024 will be a good one.
I feel it.
Hey, here's the algorithm, right? 2016 was good, right? Had 4 years. It's 2020. 2020 was
COVID.
pretty good.
That was COVID.
Nah, it was really lit.
Nah, dude. What do y'all have to say?
It was also lit.
Honestly, 2020 is real lit.
But 2024, hey,
Stop! Stop!
it's our year. It's my year, y'all.
This dude.
Do you have anything to say 2024?
Jordan's over. It's our Kobe year.
What?
Do you have anything you want to say to 2024?
You know, we just want to keep continuing to build this community up.
Him. Everybody.
Hello, it is still January 1st, 2024. Just wanted to do a little closing of the video. I'm about to go out right now to go bowling, but it was a great December 31st, filled with fun, family, and friends. I was asking people, like, what do they want to say, or whatever for 2024? I can't remember. For me, because I actually answered it too. 2024 is going to be fantastic. It's going to be phenomenal. It's going to be everything and more.
and it's just gonna be so much better than 2023. Personally. Thank you so much for watching. To all my family and friends that were featured in the video, I love you all. And I'm so grateful and thankful for each and every one of you. And to all the people that are watching this video, I love you all also, and thank you very much for tuning in to the very end. I hope you all have a great 2024 filled with everything you want and more. Alright, get the cams. I never know how to end a video.